Motivational Stories. The Quiet Art of Winning. There was a clever minister. He was known far and wide for solving the toughest problems, and the king never made a big decision without first asking for his advice. One day the king said to him, "You're brilliant, minister, but your son? He's, well, not like you. He seems foolish." The minister was taken aback. "Your Majesty, why would you say that?" he asked. The king replied, "Every morning when I visit the marketplace, your son is there. I ask him the same question every day, which is more valuable, gold or silver? And every time, he says silver." That evening he asked his son, "Tell me honestly, what's more valuable, gold or silver?" His son answered right away, "Gold, of course." "Then why do you tell the king silver is more valuable?" The boy smiled. "Father, each morning, the king places a gold coin and a silver coin in front of me and asks me to pick the more valuable one. I always pick the silver coin." And he laughs and walks away. "But why? Why keep choosing silver?" The boy led his father to his room, opened a small wooden box, and inside it, dozens of silver coins gleaming in the light. "These," the son said, "are the silver coins the king gives me, one every day. If I choose the gold coin even once, the game will end. He'll stop asking me the question, and I'll stop getting a coin every day. But as long as he believes I'm foolish, I keep earning." The minister stared at the box, speechless at first, then smiling with pride. From that day forward, whenever someone called his son foolish, he no longer argued. He simply smiled and walked away.